Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today I will demonstrate how to detect an engine misfire using a vacuum gauge on a Corolla 1.3 liter 2nz-fe engine. First I will take a normal vacuum reading. This is the vacuum gauge with readings in inches of mercury or bars. Connect the rubber hose of the vacuum gauge with the positive crankcase ventilation valve connection on the intake manifold and tape the original PCV hose with the engine at normal operating temperature and at idle speed without any load. This is the normal reading of the vacuum gauge showing 21 inches of mercury. The normal reading is usually between 17 to 21 inches of mercury. Now let's perform the engine misfire test. I have intentionally disconnected one of the fuel injectors so as to mimic a misfire condition. As you can see, the vacuum reading has dropped to 4 inches below normal, and at the same time the needle is also fluctuating around 17 inches of mercury due to a misfire condition, because if the needle had been steady then it is not a misfire. So with the results in mind, it can be suspected that either there is a faulty fuel injector or there is a leaking intake manifold gasket at the intake port. But always remember that we should always interpret the vacuum readings in conjunction with other tests to confirm the diagnosis of a misfire. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood the concept of vacuum and misfire, and please do subscribe my channel.